और Kapatisi TV. ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Vice Chancellor Jong University of Science and Technology Meghalaya, Uma Babul Haq Hakalai Potrik Unaitung Arajar Alpusan, Lapin Shah Mission Educational Rehabilitation, Yakalapan Pau Patba, Haka social media, Bagadiga Jingtmu Banajing Kyrshan Puli, Hakajala Assam, but Omagajala Meghalaya, Yaki Khun Kiba, Kiba Shah Kyndang Hagasorkar Assam. Hagajing Kram Mikilar Patai Kubor. Uma Babul Haq, ulang babun kibla persang banyalam baklai ki patba, khamtam, baga school ba USTM, kede kibla syak kintho, nakapor syakapor, haki beriu nagajala Assam. Ulang ru ba om tanggi menderi, negeri Bangladesh, riwat ki weiru, kibam de ki menderi kila syak Kyndang. Ulapin syairu bagajing ajing Kyrshan lingba ka Mission Educational Rehabilitation, kanlong dekajing bisha banya aikikot gisla.
In the social media, I was sitting in the airport and I thought that many people are requesting, you have seen this video from one lady, that they know our beginning and legacy of our educational institutions, that along with the students who are paying fees and studying here, along with this, we always adopt the students who are unable to pay and come to our educational institutions. So this educational rehabilitation is a very old kind of initiative, outreach initiative for the poor, meritorious and affected students. So with this mind, I have given this statement because many people are requesting. Even last year also we have adopted children. Many students we have adopted from Meghalaya and other states also in the USTM for their education. But specifically this I have given for the school children, small children. And when I have given these statements, everyone have praised, media has praised, but suddenly it has twisted, and some of them political people, they have given the interpretation of this in a different angle. But I am not interested to give the reply of it because these are all political statements. Even from some NGOs from Meghalaya, they have approached to us and we have clarified they are happy with this. They thought that because I am the chancellor of the university, they thought because I am known for USTM and USTM is known for that someone Mr. Mahbubul Haq is there. So they have connected this entire initiative with USTM, but is nothing like to do with the USTM. This is for the children's rehabilitation, small children's, orphan children's, strife affected children's, violence affected children's. It is happening. Now there is eviction is going on in the state. It is known to everyone. It is known to the country. It is known to the whole world that there is eviction is going on. I don't have any connection with the evicted. I said that evicted families, if we find any genuine students, helpless, homeless, and these are the words written in my statement. So I will be adapting them. And when we will be adapting, our next academic session will be started in 2026. We find that some genuine students are there where we can contribute for their education. Then what is the loss on it? That was our understanding. But unfortunately, they have been misinterpreted. We don't have any space in the campus. We are unable to give the kind of accommodation. If you come to university, we have a limited hostel facility. There is no space here to accommodate students. Many students are staying outside. Their parents are asking that you provide more hostels, but we are unable to construct more hostels here. So there is no question of adopting someone, rehabilitate someone in our university for higher education or for something. It is a common approach every time in our prospectus it is written. You can see our prospectus that in such situations, we provide, if students are eligible to take admission, we give them free education. That is the everything regarding this rehabilitation program. And now the people are trying to misinterpret it, connect it in different way. We thought that we should not talk about rehabilitation initiative now for time being. But still, people are behind us, people are helping us. Whenever we have given this statement, it has been appreciated by media. Why it has been twisted later on? So let people do that. We, our team, university faculty, students, we are in a mission that we have to excel. And recently you have seen the result has been declared of NET. 103 students in last 2 examination of UGC NET cracked NET examination. You can inquire with any other educational institution, especially universities, that how many students crack NET examination. It is because of our that is uninterrupted, and our faculty, dedicated faculty, those who are giving time, even after 4 p.m., we have extra classes for them. So we are doing. You have seen that our university is creating flood in Guwahati. That also you have seen. We are silent. We have not given any reply. So that is lying with the people, because we used to tell that it is a people's university. We will be concentrating on our main agenda, which is education and research. We are focusing on it. So that's all. And many NGOs also telling that I have to give clarification of many statements. I said that we don't have a time. And these are political statements. Why you will be? If somebody is intellectual, somebody is from NGO, if they are asking something, certainly we will be clarifying all these kind of statements. From Guwahati, last year we have adopted. So people are knowing that when such kind of crisis happens, so we take care of the children. So from the evicted families, I have written, because now all the problem is coming for the evicted children. So I have written evicted families, but it does not mean that the non-genuine students will be adopted. When we will be going for such institution, because our institution is known to the people, we are connected with all the compliance of the government of India, state government. So if we are adopting someone, certainly we will be going through the documentation process. Evicted, even the government is also knowing, government is also giving them shelter, that because of their landless and because of the erosion by the Brahmaputra and other things, many peoples are staying in the government land. That is not wrong. That is the statement that these people are staying in the government land, sometimes forest land, sometimes this nearby the kind of water bodies. In many places they are staying. So they are staying in illegally, but they are legal citizens of the country. So when we will be going for such kind of evicted families, means that we have to see the legality of the children. So there is institutions. No. Please don't give bad names to our institutions. By the sake of Almighty, we are at least smart enough when we will be doing certain such kind of welfare work here. So welfare work, if we are doing something 1% to the people, certainly it must be reaching to the people, those who are genuine people and those who are needy. Why you will be doing for certain people who are not legal?
Wat penleno yagan kakabu ki sopti etho ki babha bat shongdor nadu sa po hajar hadu hundriu po hajar tingka menta pila banyo hagador lai po hajar tingka ya ki sopti etho ba shongdor hinyo po hajar seneng pinyo tang san po hajar tingka tang kata ka wei ki sopti ka de ka wei ki design tang na ka benta jongpi wan jit nok loi na molai moro bat na mot pran po no menta hau khandai saw lai hundriu san pra hinyo lai pra